What are we doing, Natalie?
We're doing the grain elevator thing.
We're hauling a load of Milo to the grain elevator. Do you see that?
Right there.
Yep. And then look here. This is a huge pile that they've already got stacked up.
And that thing right there.
That's what they call the conveyor.
And that lets the Milo to the
It
pit.
unloads it from the trailer
To the pit.
and it puts it up in a pile.
And like that.
Yep. It piles it up into a pile. See, look.
That's
Hold on, let me zoom in. That's what it looks like when it comes out of the conveyor. That's pretty cool, isn't it? What do you want to tell YouTube today?
Subscribe!
And what about hitting the like button?
Like and subscribe with your thumb and your pinky finger. Count down from 5. 5,